I'm Katie Spadoro. It's Friday, June 12th, 2020, and I'm here with your weekly small business HR case study. The EEOC alleged that the operator of MENARD'S, a home improvement chain, violated federal law when it allowed female employees to be subject to sexual harassment. The assistant manager of the store in Michigan sent pornographic messages to several female subordinates and engaged in inappropriate physical contact with them. Despite receiving the complaints, the department manager did not take action for over a year and a half after the first complaint was made. First problem. The manager allegedly simply told his assistant manager not to dip his pen in company ink. Gross. When a final complaint was made to HR, the assistant manager was investigated and terminated. According to the EEOC, the company failed to adequately address the issue after receiving the initial complaint. Companies have a responsibility under Title VII to take all complaints seriously and investigate them promptly. Even though the company eventually did that, they allowed the harassment to continue for over a year. Title VII protects employees from discrimination based on sex, among other things. If a harassment by a supervisor creates a hostile work environment, the employer can avoid liability if they can prove that 1, they reasonably and promptly tried to prevent and correct the harassment, and 2, that the employee failed to take advantage of preventative opportunities. The bad news is that managers and supervisors who are on the front lines of defense for discrimination are often not prepared to handle complaints of discrimination or other issues. As a small business owner, it's vital that you train your managers to recognize complaints and ask the right follow-up questions. Always remember to bring that issue directly to HR. HR can then conduct a full investigation, including interviews with witnesses and a memo to file. There are a lot of lessons to be learned in this situation. Make sure that you have somebody in HR that can help you. Let us know if you have any questions, and have a great weekend.